Hello friends, we're doing yet another sample of chromatography here. So what you need is a coffee filter cut in a strip, a glass with water, and some markers. Go ahead and mark your, not at the very bottom, but a little bit up. So I'm going to put 4 dots. There's pink. Next one is green. Next we have a beautiful orange color. And then finally we have a blue. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just put this in, so just the bottom of the filter goes into the water and the rest stays up top. And we're going to secure the filter at the top of the jar, okay? So go put that in, look at it from the side so you can see that it doesn't go all the way in. Okay, and then put this on the top over your thing. No, leave the whole thing hanging out. Just put in the bottom though. Just enough so it's down in this water. Okay, and then put your lid on top. Find it where you want it to be. Set it next to there. And we stick our lid on top. Okay. Now we can watch and wait as our colors should. Ooh, it's working better, a lot better in there than before. Looks like it's going faster. I should time lapse this. How do you time lapse?
Stop recording.